All right. And are we live?
I think so.
Now I remember now. Jessy says it's an Animal Crossing kind of game, but with hobbits. Oh,
Actually, also good eye, you're on the air.
Oh no.
I guess we got someone who's a little bit hiccupy today.
No.
That's
Yeah,
funny, is it, mate?
they're driving me crazy these days.
Did you drink too much Sprite? Did you do like a Sprite challenge?
No, I didn't drink too much Sprite. It's definitely not a nervous thing.
Well,
Not me trying to do the Sprite challenge.
well, I don't know. I don't know how we can actually get the hiccups away from you.
Oh, that was a good one.
You just actually scared me.
Nice.
I'm not the one with the hiccup. Oh, wait, Tori is here. Tori is here.
Hey, Tori. Hey, Tori J. Benson.
Oh,
How you doing?
Tori J. Benson.
How you doing,
All
George?
right.
Tori.
I don't know. I think I'll just...
I don't think it
Where
worked.
the hell did I just ended up here?
Okay.
Okay. Phillip, try holding your breath and hanging upside down. Try that.
Okay, I'll try. Oh, my legs. It didn't work. I can't even hang upside down.
Like once. It never leaves me alone. Jesus!
Is that a
Willy!
Shoo!
I guess we are gonna have to give up on curing Phillip's hiccups. Boo!
Oh, that works.
Made Sue's pretty accurate.
Accurate to like the myth, the actual Greek myth.
Yeah, accurate to be being the actual asshole in the whole Olymp.
Oh wow! Wow! I can't believe Disney actually allowed that for a What If book.
Hey,
But he'll get through it.
I have the Queen Mother from Wakanda.
Nice.
all hail the Queen Mother.
Wakanda forever.
We're getting developed.
Wow.
All right.
I think my brain just exploded
Sorry.
from all this information.
I gotta tell you, insane.
I'm just sad for Inside Out 2 that
Get out of here.